Hello, this is my new Moodle site. I will be adding a new course and adding a forum and an assignment and also checking grades. To add a new course, you click the Add a New Course button at the bottom. Name the course. We'll name it Course 2. Shortcut C2. Oops, 2. And you can edit course date, start and end. We'll add a course summary. And there's a bunch of other topics to edit. When you're done, you click Save and Display. This is where you could add students to your course. When you're done, proceed to course content. And here's our course. Now we want to add an assignment under topic 2. So you click on Add an Activity or Research. The activities on the left, click Assignment. And Add. Name the assignment. And scroll down. The due date will be the 26th of July. And you can make it at 23:59 or midnight. Submission types. You can have online text or file submission. And again, many other topics to edit. Save and display. And this is the grading summary. This is where you would check the grades. We can go back to our course, C2. And here's our assignment. Next, we'll go to Add Activity or Resource and add a forum. Again, the left pane, go to Forum, and click Add. We'll name our forum, Forum 2. And then again, save and display. And this is our forum. This is where we would add a new discussion topic. So we go back to our course. Now under course 2, we have an assignment and a forum. Thank you.